They say there's a credit card so exclusive that only the ultra-wealthy can carry it. Card that, when you pull it out, speaks louder than any bank balance. And no, it's not just a myth or a status symbol for celebrities. We're talking about the American Express Centurion card, better known as the Black Card. Just for the record, it remains out of reach for 99.9% of people. And trust me, you won't believe what it takes to get one. The American Express Centurion card is probably the most exclusive credit card in the world, and for good reason. It's invitation only, and the requirements to get that invitation, well, they're not something you can achieve by just signing up for a rewards program and hoping for the best. To even be considered, you need to spend anywhere from $250,000 to over $1 million annually on your American Express Platinum card. However, since American Express doesn't officially disclose the spending requirements, these figures mainly come from cardholders sharing their experiences. And yes, that's a yearly spend, not a lifetime total. But before you say, well, that's ridiculous, let's take a step back and ask, why does this card even exist in the first place? Back in the 80s, rumors started swirling that American Express had this secret, ultra-luxury card designed for the world's elite. At the time, it didn't exist, but that didn't stop the rumor mill. Eventually, American Express decided, hey, why not actually make this thing real? The result? The Centurion card. Launched in 1999, the card quickly became a status symbol for the rich and famous. We're talking about billionaires like Jeff Bezos, Kanye West, and Oprah Winfrey. But here's the kicker. Even though it's been around for over 2 decades, information about the card is still super hush-hush. Most of what we know comes from data points shared by cardholders over the years. All right, let's get to the juicy part. What does it actually take to own this card? First off, there's the initiation fee, which is around $10,000, just for the privilege of owning the card. After that, there's a $5,000 annual fee. You can almost hear the collective gasp from anyone not making 7 figures a year. And here's something even wilder. Just having the money isn't enough to get this card. For you to get invited to the club, American Express has to like how you're spending it. They're not looking for someone who's racking up purchases on office supplies and gas station snacks. They want a mix of luxury goods, travel, and dining at top-tier restaurants. Basically, they're looking for someone who embodies their brand. Now you might be thinking, okay, so I spend hundreds of thousands a year and pay an annual fee. What do I actually get? The perks are insane. You get your own personal concierge, available 24/7, to handle everything from dinner reservations to travel bookings to, well, anything really. Want tickets to a sold-out concert or reservations at a fully booked restaurant? You're covered. And speaking of travel, the card comes with automatic elite status at high-end hotels like Marriott and Hilton. That means free upgrades, late checkouts, and even complimentary butler services. Ever dreamed of feeling like royalty on your next vacation? The Centurion card turns that into a reality. You're also getting access to private airport lounges, including the exclusive AMEX Centurion lounges, where you can unwind with premium food, drinks, and even a secret bar in some locations. For flights, you're looking at priority boarding, upgrades, and free baggage handling. And yes, some Centurion card holders even get access to private jets. That's right, private jets. Oh, and did I mention the gifts? Yeah. AMEX likes to surprise their Centurion members with luxury gifts from time to time. These range from cashmere travel sets to expensive wines or custom Tom Ford products. If that doesn't make your $5,000 annual fee feel worth it, I don't know what will. But it's not all glamorous. Some users have complained that the benefits don't always justify the steep fees, especially when the perks overlap with the less exclusive Platinum card. If you're not flying internationally or staying at high-end hotels all the time, a lot of these perks might not even apply to you. But wait, did we mention the secret perks you might still be able to enjoy? First up, the tap-to-pay technology, tucked inside a sleek Prada bracelet that's provided to some Centurion members. It's a subtle but luxurious way to make purchases without even pulling out your card. Just tap your wrist and go. Then there's the no preset spending limit. Yep, cardholders can spend as much as they want, provided they can pay it off in full each month. Another gem is the exclusive access to high-demand events. We're talking private invites to fashion shows, VIP sports access, and even red carpet premieres. Now, if shopping is your thing, you'll love the $1,000 annual Saks Fifth Avenue credit, split into 4 $250 quarterly credits. So, Indulging in designer goods gets even sweeter. Lastly, for those who like to stay fit, the card throws in a complimentary Equinox Destination Access membership, which covers over 100 locations worldwide. This membership, for the rest of us, costs thousands of dollars annually. Now for the million-dollar question, is it worth it? If you're part of the ultra-rich crowd, the Centurion card can feel like a no-brainer. You're getting exclusive access to things most people only dream of. And let's be honest, flashing a black card at a business meeting or social event is one of the biggest flexes you can pull off. But for the rest of us, probably not. Unless you're spending close to $1 million a year, you're not even going to get an invite. And even if you do, the cost might outweigh the benefits for someone who doesn't have a lifestyle built around luxury travel, shopping, and entertainment. So, what do you think? Is the AMEX Centurion card worth the hype? Or is it just another status symbol for the ultra-wealthy? Would you shell out $10,000 just to have one of these in your wallet? Let us know in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown of the world's most exclusive credit card, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Catch you in the next one.